This was a beautiful, beautiful place. However, the traffic was not soothing for sleeping. But in a pinch, it did the trick. The views were outstanding, though. Wow. But we got over that traffic real quick by turning on the white noise, baby. This, too, is right off of Highway 1. We're pulling out of here today in search of a new boondocking spot. It was free, and hopefully the next spot will be free also. Look, y'all. We got sunshine on our shoulders. Woohoo! We are so happy to see the sunshine. We can't stand it. Oh my gosh. Well, a pretty drive to Costco in Anchorage. See you there.
Are you at Costco today?
What? Yeah, we're eating at Costco.
We're going to eat lunch at Costco. How about y'all?
We're going to have a salad.
Yes, indeed.
I think we're going to skip the pizza this time because we got pizza left from last time. So we're probably going to get something different.
Chicken salads look very good. I'll tell you another thing that is good to have that chicken steak or whatever they have. It's really good too.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get that. Is that like a sandwich or on a wrap or something?
It's like baked in a tortilla thing. It's got cheese all on the outside of it. But you pick it up and eat it. And the cheese gets dumped onto the shell. But it's really good.
Yeah. How many do I need? One or two?
Well, it just depends on how hungry you are. If you're really hungry, you might want to buy two. If not, just buy one.
A railroad track right down there on the water.
Well, there ain't nowhere else to put it.
we found us a gorgeous place to camp. We were the first ones in here, and then all these other folks came in, but it's super quiet, and we are loving being in this canyon. It's so pretty. There's him and Daryl. We came in here off of Highway 1, which is right out there. And this road here is called Trailhead Road. And the river is down below. We'll show you that in a moment.